Hi guys, and welcome to IPD. My name is Alex, and I'm inviting you to dive in the PPF application process with this Audi Q8. On this car we're gonna convert it to the matte finish. We'll use XPEL Stealth for that. Car is not brand new. Car has around 5,000 kilometers. It has some minor imperfections like chips, and this we have to rectify before apply the film. We'll proceed for cutting material and start applying the film. This is the original XPEL with the roll number. As you can see, it's sealed, and here's the roll number which you can use for warranty. And let's open together and have a look. As you can see, there is special material with the roll number and the security code, and this should matching with the package. Let me show you the 3960. The same thing is over here, and inside the tube, I think from other side, you can get the same number, which is also matching with the box. You see, there is the same 3960. There you can see pre-cut templates for this Audi, and the material is already in a plotter. Some templates already prepared. As you can see, we have to cut rear fender with both doors and the back side of trunk. And I think here is a 55 logo. We have to adjust the templates for our part. Okay, 55 is here, and we are proceed for cutting. So while material is cutting, let's do the quick inspection around the car. As I said, the car is not brand new, and on some place you might find the chips on the front bumper, because at high speed there is no way to avoid it. And that's why we recommend to apply PPF from first kilometers to avoid any chips. About this door, it has a two deep one. You can see 1 and 2. We have to fill it with the paint, and there is some scratch. I think that has to be removed with the polishing. And same thing over here, you can find it easily. And why we are removing handles? Because we're applying matte film, and handles on German cars is pretty easy to remove. We just have to release one bolt from here, and it's allowed us to remove this part. All logos like this S line will be on the same position. We're not going to remove them. We cut film around it. Same thing with this 55 TFSI and Quattro. We're not going to remove them at all, because all of this is later they fix it on a double tape. Now it's fixed from factory, fix it with the best precision as it's possible. So first part has been cut, and as you can see, there's some edges has been adjusted and increased. And have a look on the precision, how it's computer cutting. It's all lines is straight, and it's never making any mistakes with the not straight lines or something like that. So always it's going the same from car to car. You're getting the same quality of cutting. So those scratches has been rectified with the polishing. It's not there anymore. And the same thing with this long line has been removed. Right now we are ordering paint to touch up those section. And you might have a question why we are covering the wheels. Just to avoid some mistake. For example, when you're touching it with the film, it might pick up some dust from tires or from somewhere, and just to avoid these cases, we are covering them with fabric covers. And I want to show you how we are removing handles. It's required just to remove this plug. There is inside, you might find a bolt in a star, and let's release it now. So releasing this bolt is allowed us to remove this plastic part which is holding the handle, and then we pull the handle this side, and it's coming out easily. Just have to unplug this connection for the lights, and then we can apply PPF without any joints. And as you can see, the door panel, it stays on the same place. This is most important, because remove one bolt is not a big deal, but remove the door panel, the entire door panel, it's another question, because there's many clips and many bolts. Three days we have completed all work with this Audi Q8, and all painted surface we are covered with the XPEL Stealth. It's a satin finish PPF, and the rest of panels like headlights and glossy section were covered with the gloss film. Additionally, we applied transparent gloss PPF on the central console because it's piano black in this version, and piano black has been scratched very quickly with the keys or phone, so it has to be protected to look good for the long time. And here is the box of material which we applied here, and there is a warranty card. So once we fill the chassis number and the date of installation, customer will be able to register his warranty from the XPEL website. And if something happens with the film during the next 10 years, he might claim the warranty case from us or from XPEL directly in case if film is becoming yellowish or if it's cracked or something happens with the material. If we are showing closely work of our competitors, I think it will be fair if we will show closely our work. So in the next videos you will see the edges and angles, how we are covering film, how we tuck the film inside, and how we're working around the logos without removal, because from this car we didn't remove any single logo to keep it on original space. Enjoy the final result. Don't forget to subscribe on our Instagram. See you next video. Bye.